Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best, but don't overdo. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete your body and you go against yourself. And it will take longer to accomplish your goals. Market wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 100, Nasdaq up 11, S&P's up 7, gold contract up $5.90, trading at $11.9140. Silver down 7 cents at $16.77. Platinum off $6 at $9.72 an ounce. Copper, flat at $2.60 a pound. Light sweet crude, rejected lower price, up $1.44, $52.26 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note, up 2 ticks, 124.27. 30-year bond up 14 ticks, 152.31. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, this is the 5th day in a row that they've rejected lower price, had lighter volume on the rejection. Bottom line is that they want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. What a day King dollar had. King dollar down 266 ticks, 101.730. King dollar was up at 1.964 ticks, was down at another point over 500 ticks. What you had with King dollar is this. You failed on price, failed on volume. King dollar is an ABC structure on the way down. What I expect you're going to see, and more than likely it's going to be interesting watching this shake out, because what we have is that you have a long weekend coming up. Monday's Martin Luther King Day. Friday, coming into this metal market, looks to me like you get the gold contract, wants to do an ABC structure on the way up. XAU, ABC up. HUI, ABC up. A lot of the smaller equities were already ABC ups last week. And King dollar, ABC down. You break under this 100.600 mark, folks, that'll be setting up King dollar going down to 91 over the next 6, 7, 8 months. We had broken out on March. Well, the consolidation was from March of 2015 until November of 2016. Euro is at $1.05. The euro also rejected lower price. Euro wants higher price. The yen is at 115.36. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Wonder what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Bottom line, you get another sideways move out here. We did 67 million shares. You know, this thing wants to still tag. Looks like it's going to try to tag the 228. Right now, you're 227.10. As one of the Tigers just said in the den, is tomorrow going to be the day that the Dow tags 20,000? And it could be real easy. The reason being, of course, is that right now you're at 19,954. That's your close. Bottom line, there's no reason that you can't tag that 20,000, at least prior to the open, maybe bang it out at the open. What we did do last week is we hit the 19,999.63 mark. Nasdaq Composite. Now, the Composite, what was different out here this morning is that the Composite was not leading. It caught up, though. Bottom line, Composite closed at a high. The closing high yesterday was 55.51. The high of the day was 55.64. We closed, this is a big closing high, 55.63.64. Volume, bottom line, the market still can't get any volume behind the move. We did 891 million in the NYSE. Inside the NASDAQ Composite, we did 1.9 billion. If we do go over and we do look at the Composite, what you have with the NASDAQ Composite, NASDAQ Composite also is at highs, 55.63. Yeah, big time. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, you talk about high volatility out here, folks. It had it. The low today in the gold contract was 1177. That was prior to the news conference. At 10:10 this morning, you're at 1177. Bottom line, news conference stats, gold goes from a price point of 1170. First push pulled it up to 1189. You backed down at noontime to 1180, and then you just went topside to 1198.50. Now, what you have happening in the gold market, which is pretty cool, is this. you backed down. If you happen to be watching Tiger TV, you can look at my chart out here. And this is a classic, meaning huge expansion of price and volume, okay? So we went from 1177 to 1198. Then what do? You back down to the biggest sign of strength intraday, which was 1183. And we made 1189 on the back down. So what that's saying is that that's building cause for higher price once again. Bonds, the 10-year note, also a generating, saying it wants higher price, lower yield. We did 1.3 million contracts inside the 10-year today. The 10-year is just refusing to back down. Interest rate structure, folks, interest rates are trading. The 10-year rate is at 2.363. The high for the year is 2.597. The low is 1.735. We take a look at the 30-year. 30-year also wants higher price, lower yield. 30-year right now is trading 152.31. And the way this baby is set up, this also wants to get up into the 155.13 area. We go over to King Dollar, and King Dollar, man, this was just, at one point, it looked like King Dollar was going to make another leg down, meaning, we were already down over 1,500 ticks. It had been up 964 ticks, gave that back, plus another 500. Bottom line is that what you have here now is that you are hammering the B point of an ABC structure. Well, we actually did an ABC structure. We confirmed the ABC structure on the way down. And it's a complex one. What that means specifically is this, is that you took out the B point, you took it out with volume, and then you closed above the B point. That's going to be right back down at that B point, which is 101.295. We went to 101.240. You did 74,000 contracts versus the B point of 60,000. That's setting up the next leg down in the marketplace. And, of course, what does end up happening is that breakout area is crucial to wrap your head around. The breakout area that we're talking about is 100.600 inside the dollar. Euro, of course, just went the opposite way of the dollar. What the euro did is that euro rejected lower price, went topside. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there. We're coming out with some numbers for you, folks. Dow Industrials finished up 98. NASDAQ up 11. S&P's up 6.5. We're going to be right back.